Hello viewers, welcome to my channel KVR Infotech. సో ఈ వీడియోలో ప్రిమిటివ్స్ గురించి పార్ట్ 2 చూద్దాం. నౌ I am taking స్టాటిక్ స్ట్రక్చరల్ అనాలిసిస్. సో ఇందులో జామెట్రీ రైట్ క్లిక్ చేస్తున్నాను. న్యూ డిజైన్ మోడలర్ జామెట్రీ మీద క్లిక్ చేస్తున్నాను. మనకి డిజైన్ మోడలర్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ ఓపెన్ అయింది. సో ఇంటర్ఫేస్ ఎప్పుడు ఓపెన్ చేసినా ఫస్ట్ మనం యూనిట్స్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో నేను మీటర్స్ అని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను. బై డిఫాల్ట్ మనకి మీటర్ మీద సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యి ఉంటుంది. So based upon the diagram, so we can select centimeter, millimeter and micrometer and so on. So నేను ఇందులో meters select చేసుకుంటున్నాను. Now I am going to the create primitives. సో ఆల్రెడీ మనం పార్ట్ 1 వీడియోలో స్పియర్ ఎలా డ్రా చేయాలో చూసాం, బాక్స్ ఎలా డ్రా చేయాలో చూసాం, ప్యారలల్ పైప్ చూసాం, సిలిండర్ చూసాం అండ్ కోన్ చూసాం. సో నౌ we are going for the remaining 4 primitives. So that is the prism, pyramid, torus and bend. So now I am going to select the first one, that is prism. So this is the details of view of the prism. So here I am taking the base plane as ZX plane. Click on apply. So operation is the add material. So origin definition. So its coordinates are 0, 0, 0 and axis. So axis in the Z direction and base definition. So that is in Y direction. So here in prism definition we can draw the prism by using its radius or by its side length. Okay, so first I am taking its by radius. So let's say here the radius is 3 meter and then number of sides required for the prism is, let's say, 6. Okay, then click on generate. Okay, so like that, so you will get the prism like this. So here I am increasing the axis length, the length in the axis direction. So that is, let's say here it is 6 meter. Then click on generate. Okay, so you will get the prism axis like this. So I am increased the axis length of the prism by 6 meter. Okay, so like that you will get the prism. So if you want to draw the 5 sides prism, so here you have to change here the number of sides of the prism, let's say 5. Then click on generate. So you will get the 5 sides of the prism. So similarly 4 also you will get. So 4, then click on generate. Like this you can change the sides of the prism. So if you want to add thin surface, simply you can click here, click on yes. Now so give its inner radius, let's say it is 1 meter, then click on generate. So like this you can create its thin surface also. So 1 meter or 0.5 meter. So like this, you will get the thin surface also. You can create the thin surface of the prism also. So this is about the prism. Now I am going for the next primitive. So now I am hiding this. Now create primitive. Next one, pyramid. Okay, so base plane is XY plane or ZX plane. ZX plane, apply. So add material. So here also I am taking the origin as 0, 0, 0 and this is the axis. So in Z direction of length is 6 meter. So this is the base definition. Okay, so here the base length, so let's say it is 1 meter and 1 meter. Then click on generate. Okay, so you will get the pyramid like this. Or I am increasing, it is 3 meter to 3 meter. Click on generate. So like this you will get the pyramid like this. Okay, so here pyramid height is like it is a full height. That means the full height means that is 6 meter. So if you want to give the pyramid height is like the 4 meter only, then click on generate. So now 4 meter height only it is generated. Okay, so it is initially it is a full pyramid. Now the pyramid height is only, it is about only the 4 meter only. So like that we can create the loft type shape also. So or if you want to increase the 5 meter, then click on generate. Okay, so 5 meter height of the pyramid is generated. For this one also you can create the thin surface. So for that purpose, click on yes. Now it is inner thickness is 0.5 meter. Then click on generate. So for this one also you can create the thin surface. If you want to see the full pyramid, so in the height place use 0 and click on generate. Okay, so you can see the full height of the pyramid. So in this way we can create the pyramid and thin surface of the pyramid. Now we are going for the next primitive. So for that purpose I am hiding this one. So create primitives. So next one is the torus. Okay, so this is the shape of the torus. So in this one I am taking the base plane as xy plane. So operation is the add material. So its origin is 0 0 0 and its axis is in z direction and its base definition in y direction. So angle, it what angle you want to create the torus. So here I am giving 360 degrees. Its inner radius is let's say 5 meter and its outer radius is let's say 6 meter. Then click on generate. This torus primitive is generated. So if you want to change the angle, so let's say it is here I am taking 180. Then click on generate. Only 180-degree torus is generated. Okay. So for this one also you can create the thick thin surface. So for that purpose here I am giving the click on yes. So now here it is 0.5. Let's say 0.1 meter. Then click on generate. So this is the thin surface. Thin surface here I am created. So this is about the torus primitive. So one more primitive is there. So now I am going to explain that one. I am hiding this torus primitive. Next one. So create primitive bend. This is like the rim type primitive. So here also I am taking the base plane in xy plane. Okay. So origin is 0 0 0. Axis in the z direction and base in y direction. So here also I am giving the 180 degree. So the radius will be 3 meter and its base length is 3 meter and 3 meter. Okay. Then click on generate. So this is rim type primitive. Here we are created. Now here it is 360 degree. 360 degree. Then click on generate. Like this we will get the rim type primitive. Okay. So if you want to reduce the that base length and weight like 1 meter and 1 meter, then click on generate. Like this. So we will create the that bend type primitive. So for this one also we can create it the thin surface. So if you want to see that thin surfaces, it should be in 180 degree or 270 degree. Then click on generate. Now I am adding thin surface. Yes. Now it is 0.1 meter. Then click on generate. Okay. So now you can observe the thin surface of the this bend type primitive. So thank you very much. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.